Your goal right now is to read the paragraph. For those of you who can read Devanagari, I want you to read Devanagari. And for those of you who are more comfortable in English or Romanagari, you can read right now just the English paragraph and see the pattern. What do you think is different than the previous classes? Okay, so that part you will see it shortly. Okay, so now just using the same pattern and the same demonstrative pronoun, ye hai, vah hai, ye, ve. Okay, you have to first crack this pattern number one again. Okay, I want all of you to spend time reading both of these paragraph or rather columns and tell me what is the difference that you're noticing. Right. So I'm going to ask you a small exercise. I'm going to ask you to think about some adjective that you can think of and use it in the pattern. Think about two adjectives. Okay. Jada se jada. Okay. We will do that as well, Marwadi. Beautiful. Bahadur se bahadur. Now I want you to um, say the full thing in Hindi. Okay. So choose the largest possible bag. You already have in front of you the largest possible bag is bade se bada. Largest possible bag is bade se bada bag. Okay. And you can just use one form of the imperative. I want you to read it again and tell me the pattern that you're noticing in this one. So if you notice one more thing in the previous examples, in pattern number 2, there were no numbers. We were not dealing with numbers. Chote se chota kamra. Okay. In this case, it's all numbers. At least 10 minutes or at most 10 people will come to the party. Almost, not almost, all of these have numeric values. Now use it in some sentences, right? Um, let's use it in simple sentences, then we can always do the complex one, right? Um, you want to say at least 10 people will come. कम से कम 10 लोग आएंगे. At most 50 people will come. ज्यादा से ज्यादा 50 लोग आएंगे. The doctor is prescribing the medications, and let's say I'm making it up, right? Like they want you to have at least 2 of the vitamin B, or at most like 5, not more than that, right? But they want you to increase the vitamin B level. Yeah. So the tablet, it's still basically goli. It's still used the commonly term विटामिन बी की गोलियां. कम से कम 2 विटामिन की गोलियां लीजिए और ज्यादा से ज्यादा 5 गोलियां लीजिए. Invite at most 30 participants.